The money of the internet. ETH gas fees, $90. What the snap? That's crazy. Nah, guys, don't worry about it. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to get ICHI on Polygon and participate in the hodl as well as the angel vaults on Polygon. If you guys didn't know much about Polygon, TLDR is its super cheap gas fees. Alright, so the first part is we need to show you guys how to get on Polygon. There's several different ways on how to do this. I'm a decentralization maxi, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this using SpiritSwap Bridge. There are multiple other bridges like Transferto, there's Seller Bridge, there's Synapse, but me personally, in my opinion, I like the SpiritSwap Bridge to go from Ethereum to Polygon because of its cost efficiency. If I go to approve USDC, the cost to approve the transaction is going to be around $6 or $7. Yeah, so as you can see here, it's $7.89, okay, $7.51, whatever. The GUI on this is about 70 GUI. So when it's around 30 GUI, 20 GUI, it's going to be much cheaper. So that's something you can keep in mind. The different prices on the gas fees have to do with contract complexity. Sending the transaction as an approval as well as going across the bridge, at a 70 to 60 GUI, it's going to cost you about $15 to $20 in order to send our USDC from Ethereum to Polygon. That's mainly due to this. It's about 60 GUI for a gas fee. This is kind of average. Lately, the past 2 weeks, it's actually been closer to around 30 GUI or 20 GUI. So transacting when the network is less congested, you're going to save some money. And the best time to do transactions is a Friday night. Why is that? Well, it's because people are out with their girlfriend or with their wife kind of chilling and not doing the DeFi junk. This is one way, the decentralization maxi way, where you can get your funds from Ethereum to Polygon. This will cost you about $15 to $20 depending on the network congestion. Now, the next one is crypto.com. So on crypto.com, they actually have several different chains you can go on, but as you can see here for Polygon, to transact and withdraw, it's only going to cost you 80 cents to do this. Now I know you're saying, oh, I don't like crypto.com, it's junk or whatever. Okay, all you have to do is you set up a crypto.com account. You don't have to throw money on it. You can use something like a Coinbase or a Gemini. Coinbase's withdrawal fees from USDC on the Ethereum network to send it over to any wallet address that's ERC20 is going to cost you from about $5 to $10. Which is pretty cheap. And the other option is Gemini. Gemini and Coinbase, you can link both of these with your bank account and on-ramp some funds onto there. Super easy. The withdrawals on Gemini, you actually get 10 free withdrawals. And you can send that to crypto.com and withdraw to Polygon from crypto.com onto your Polygon wallet, which is inside your MetaMask. Your MetaMask that's on ERC20, it's the same thing for Polygon. You simply just add the Polygon network, and that's done on Chainlist. This is what Chainlist looks like. I'll leave a link in the description below, but all you do is say, hey, I want Polygon. You connect your wallet, and then it'll say add to MetaMask. Boom, done. You added it to your MetaMask, you got Polygon, and when you send the funds over there, that's it. Now, bear in mind, if you are going on crypto.com, make sure you swap a little bit of that USDC for some Matic tokens. You're gonna need some gas, or you need to find a faucet on Polygon. Several different Polygon projects. If you go in their Discord, someone will help you out. And if you ask someone in the ICHI Discord, they'll give you a helping hand. So those are a couple ways you guys can get onto Polygon. I'll leave links in the description below for Coinbase, for Gemini. I'll also leave one for crypto.com. All three of them have some sign-up bonuses as well, so you guys can claim those in the description below. Okay, so say for example you have some ICHI tokens on Ethereum and you want to get them over to Polygon. Well, you can actually do that here on the ICHI website. This section that says Bridge, all you have to do is say, yeah, I want to send all my tokens from Ethereum to Polygon. First, you need to approve the transfer and then complete the transfer. It gives you the estimation of the cost here. So currently, if I was to make this transfer, it's going to cost me about $106. So keep in mind, you want to make this worthwhile. If you're just sending one ICHI token from Ethereum to Polygon, it's not really cost effective. It's not worth it. This is more so for someone transferring a larger amount of ICHI token. Now, if I want to withdraw my funds from Polygon and bring them to Ethereum, this is actually a very simple step. You switch this toggle to do Polygon, and you'll automatically see this setting show up for the bridge. That means we have to get this contract address here and go over to the Polygon bridge. Once we go over to the Polygon bridge, we now select and say, hey, I need to withdraw. But the ICHI token is not here. I type in ICHI and it's not here. What do I do? Well, if you remember this contract address right here, you copy that. What we're going to do is now we're going to do add custom token. We're going to go ahead and paste the contract address and say add ICHI. This will add the ICHI address onto the bridge. So now I have ICHI here and I want to bridge 1000 or 100 ICHI, whatever, from Polygon to Ethereum. It will allow me to transfer. If I have the funds there, I hit transfer. I will pay a transaction fee from Polygon, and then on the Ethereum chain, I will have to go claim those tokens by paying the Ethereum gas fee. So that's how you can use the Polygon bridge for ICHI. Now lastly, I want to end this video with this, guys. These are the Angel and HODL vaults. Just like we explained in the previous videos, the same stuff applies here on Polygon. So just like you know and love it over on Ethereum, the same thing over on Polygon with just, well, less gas fees. So if we go over to the HODL vaults, right now we have wrapped Bitcoin. The IRR right now is only 0. And there's very few deposits in here right now. The goal with these HODL vaults right here is the earlier you get in, typically like it was on Ethereum, the IRR is going to be much higher. It's mainly due to the price action because you're getting in at a lower price. Right now there's only 0.08 Bitcoin. As you guys can see here on Polygon, $7.31 million in liquidity for wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped ETH is sitting on Uniswap. Just imagine a little bit of that wrapped Bitcoin being deposited into this vault. Remember what happens when you deposit into these HODL vaults. Bear in mind on the back end what's happening is it's being paired with ICHI. It's not a 50-50 ratio, it's actually smaller, it's more like 80-20. It's having a little bit of exposure to ICHI, and when it does this, this adds buy pressure to the ICHI token, which if you're pairing your Bitcoin with ICHI and ICHI is going up in price, you are actually selling some ICHI into Bitcoin. So you're actually gaining more Bitcoin. That's just how LP farms work. But just so you guys can keep that in mind, TLDR is the earlier you get in, the more IRR or the higher IRR you will have. And the TLDR on the IRR is the initial return on investment, or as you can hover over here, it's the fees earned from performance. So to sum up what we went over, we showed you guys the Angel and HODL vaults on Polygon. It's about the same exact thing that was on Ethereum, except it's lower gas fees. Second, we showed you guys how to use the bridge to go from ETH to Polygon and back from Polygon to ETH. We also showed you guys if you want to use the centralized exchange, we showed you guys how to use cryptocom, Gemini, as well as Coinbase to being able to bridge your funds onto Polygon. Let's go and hit you guys with a wisdom one-liner. We're in Proverbs chapter 14, verses 20. The poor are shunned even by their neighbors, but the rich have many friends. Interesting food for thought. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you in the next one.